Hello, today I'm going to cook stir-fry chicken with ginger. I have about 250 grams of sliced chicken. So I have about 100 grams of thin sliced ginger and about 10 to 15 stalk of mushroom, and this is a black fungus, and half onions, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 red chilli, spring onions, and this one red date and goji berry. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the heat from the ginger. Okay, I am using a lot of salt, like a handful of salt. Maybe I put in a bit more. Yeah. And then I'm squeezing the salt with ginger in the way that we are removing the heat from the ginger. So if we put this much of ginger, it won't give our it won't make our food become so heaty. Okay, so I'm going to wash it out, wash away the ginger juice and salt. So we're going to wash again one more time. Okay. This is what we have. Okay, let's go and cook. Heat up the pan, about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, it's hot or not? Not hot yet. Okay, I'm putting in the garlic, chopped garlic. Stir fry until the garlic turn brown. Garlic almost brown. I'm adding in the red onions and the chicken. This chicken I have already pre-marinated with salt. Okay. Then I'm adding in the ginger. And also the mushroom. And can add water, just a bit. And then put in this red date. I'm putting in about 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Two drops of sesame seed oil. More water. And we'll leave the chicken and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Chicken is already cooked, so I'm going to put in the goji berry and also the red chilli. Give some color. Spring onions. Half a tablespoon of cooking rice wine. give it a couple of stir, then okay, it's done. Pretty easy, right? Stir-fry chicken with ginger.